A collapsed or open duct changes blower operation by altering airflow and motor load, which can cause poor comfort and premature equipment wear. When a duct is collapsed, the blower sees increased static pressure that forces it to work harder to push air through restricted pathways, raising motor current and reducing delivered airflow at registers. Conversely, an open or disconnected duct lowers system pressure but routes conditioned air into unconditioned spaces, so rooms do not receive adequate supply. Check fan current with a clamp meter versus the motor nameplate rating to detect unusual loading and compare supply and return register airflow by feel and timed vane anemometer readings to quantify imbalance. Seal obvious tears and reconnect flanges with mechanical fasteners and mastic or UL-rated foil tape, and for a collapsed run, remove obstructions and restore support using proper hangers or rigid transitions to prevent recollapse. If the collapse occurred in flexible duct, replace the section with a properly stretched and supported run, keeping bends gentle and length minimized so the blower sees the designed resistance. Always balance dampers only after physical repairs so the blower is not compensating for distribution defects, and document before and after measurements to confirm motor load and airflow return to expected values. Common mistakes include assuming the blower motor is failing when airflow is poor, which leads to unnecessary replacement. Instead, inspect duct integrity and measure motor current to separate distribution from motor problems. Another issue is using improper repair materials like cloth-back duct tape which fails. Use mastic or code-compliant foil tape and mechanical fasteners to ensure durable seals. A third concern is ignoring return leaks that let unconditioned air bypass the system and change blower pressure. Locate gaps with a smoke pencil or pressure testing and close them, then recheck system balance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can diagnose duct problems and provide repairs or replacements. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences and practical tips, and we help contractors find work through project postings and local visibility.